Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from TCL device to Alcatel One S 2021. Firstly, you need to find Play Store and open it on both devices. Then click on the search bar, type Send Anywhere and download this app from this developer. Following that, tap on Open. Then you need to choose I accept, click on Confirm, Continue and finally Allow. Now choose Receive on Alcatel and Send on TCL. After that, tap on all of those kind of dots and choose Send in order to send all of your files. It will take some time though, so I will only go with this one photo. Choose Send and tap Got it. From here we have two ways to connect. You can input this key over here and then choose Receive or Scan QR code. If you wish to scan it, tap on the scanning icon over here, choose while using the app or only this time, and point your device's camera at the code. As you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. But if you wish to check it out for sure, you can always go into some kind of Files app, like File Manager, click on In My Case Pictures, and tap on Albums. Send Anywhere folder is over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!